how to change groups, notifications, tone settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change group notifications, tone settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and click these 3 points in the top corner and click settings. Here you will find notifications, click on it and then just scroll down. Here you will find the notification tone and just click on it and click settings, and here just select any tone you want and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.